So I have taken this car for a small ride already, and I didn't see any check engine light. There's a VSC, which is Vehicle Stability Control, that has been there for some time. But other than that, the check engine light hasn't come on. I took it for about 10 miles at least. Now I'm going to take it for another couple of more miles, and I'm sure that it hasn't come yet. But let's first take the car. I went at around 60 miles per hour and I didn't see any. Now see, the Vehicle Stability Control light has come on, VSC, but not the check engine light, and I don't hear any more misfires. I should have done a video before showing the misfire. Maybe you could have heard it on the video, but I don't hear it anymore. So it looks like replacing cylinder coil 4 solved the problem. This is an old car. I bought it maybe it says 209 or 210,000 miles, but actually they apparently have changed the odometer, and it's actually around I'm guessing at least almost close to 300,000 miles. And so far it's only the Vehicle Stability Control, and I don't see a check engine light. Like I said, I've already taken it for about 10 miles at 60 miles per hour. But let me show that it's okay, or hopefully it will remain okay. Yeah, I'm going to put the Vehicle Stability, no, the ECT on, because it's snow. It's a 4-wheel drive, so it's good to have a 4-wheel drive. And let me take this for a small ride. No more check engine light, which was indicating the misfire. Let's go back the other way where I can reach 60 miles per hour. This is in the upper Midwest, very cold weather. Not today, but normally it is very cold. It can get up to negative 20, 30. Says 45 now, and quite windy, 40 miles per hour, and so we get to 60 miles per hour. 45. Now it's at 60 miles per hour. I shouldn't be going at 60 because the speed limit is 45. I should slow down. Lost my concentration. Now I think it's 60 miles per hour. Let's see. But still 45. This line says 45. My camera is a low resolution camera, I'm sorry. Soon it will be 60 miles per hour. So by now, as soon as you start the engine, it started giving me the misfire. But now we are 60 miles speed limit, so I'm going at 60. I won't go for too long because the road is very bad. You can see it's at 60 miles per hour, and I don't see a check engine light, and I don't feel any misfire. Normally it's really bad, but it looks like coil number 4, ignition coil number 4 was the problem.